Hello and welcome to this video. This video is diving into how to add or change parts of a project in Intuitix. So here we have a project. This project here, say I was adding in some information and I was like, I really need a specific field here for this project. And I also want that for other projects. You don't actually add this information directly here into this project. So say you want a new actual component here, you actually have to add that here in templates. If you don't see templates, it might be because you don't have the permission to do so. You do need to be a project admin or higher to be able to see project templates. But if you do, once you're in a project template, you select the template that you want to work with. And then you can see basically a project page here, but instead of seeing totals or anything like that in it, you can see the actual calculations that have been added in and the components themselves. And you can go in and edit various parts of these components. To add a new component, you go up here to the Add button, and you can see a small list of different types of components you can add to the system. You can add various different types. You can add a standard field being basically a text box. However, you can also add in formulas into those standard fields. And you can use the formulas to reference different fields within the system. If you want to find out more about formulas, there will be another video about that shortly. If you need to then update what you've made changes to, so say I added in a new field, say I wanted to add in costs, something like that. I'd add in a small field like that and I'd add it in, and now I've added that to this template. Before I then can see this on projects, I then need to update this. And this prompt is just telling me that this is going to apply to all projects that are currently associated with this template. So now that I can go back to my project, so I find my project, I now can see the cost field here and I can fill this out, as well as adding in a formula if I really needed to calculate various different aspects of the system. But if I wanted that formula to be in there, I would need to add that in the template if I wanted that to be rolled out across all projects. That concludes this brief demonstration about how to add or change parts of a project by adding template components.